I cleaned out this bed with my collard greens that were being eaten up by the slugs and the Asian lady beetles. I took all my onions that I had in here out as well and placed them in another area so they can continue to grow. So I'm going to take the advice of Linda with the New Orleans Gardener and add dishwashing liquid, and I'm going to also add some baking soda over here to try to clean this soil out and try to kill any more of those bugs and slugs that may be in this soil. Let it sit for a little while as she suggested, and add some super juice in here. Let it sit for a little while before I try to grow anything else in here. Now this was the side where all the brassicas was, the collard greens, but this side here they wasn't over in this area. So they must just like to eat on the stems of the green leaves of the brassicas, because they tore up my collard greens and my cabbages. So let me go in here and get started. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pour a lot of the Dawn dishwashing liquid over in here. Add some water. Make it soapy in here. Go ahead and I'm gonna add some baking soda in here too. Just adding an extra something in here to try to kill it off. Okay. Then I'm gonna add my water. Set it up real good with some water. Come on, folks. Look at that. Come on, folks. Clean this soil good for me. Get all of those bugs out of here. Okay. This bed look like it's done real good, and we'll go on to the next one that they was eating out of and soak it down real good too. Okay, do your job. Dishwashing liquid and baking soda. Clean up this soil real good. Kill all of those bugs in there for me. I'm gonna do the same over here in this garden bed where I pulled up all of my collard green plants. I'm gonna pull up all my onions that's over and garlic that's over in here as well, and soak this bed down real good to kill off all of those Asian lady beetles and any slugs that's in here that was eating up my plants. So let me get busy cleaning out this garden bed. Here's my onions that I pulled out of this bed. They're not very big, but they gonna be eaten for sure. Got a lot of the green onions as well. So I'm gonna go and let them dry up and cure for about a week or so before I pull all the dirt off of them and clean them up and start using them. Let me get busy soaking this bed here too with the dishwashing liquid using Dawn. Get it all in there. Soak this area up too. Try to kill off all the bugs that was eating up my plants over in this bed. Onions, some baking soda too. Clean up this soil. Kill off all of those bugs. Okay, let me water this in, soak it in. Okay, come on. Foam up. Come on, soap. Do your job. Baking soda, do your job. Okay. That's foamed up. Soap foamed up real good over here. Now let's see it do its job. And I have some healthier soil in this area where I can plant my next round of vegetables that I want to grow over here. I won't have any problem of any bugs eating them up. Next, I'm going to tackle this cabbage patch bed over here that has gotten eaten up by all kind of bugs, slugs, and eat them up. But I see I have carrots growing in here. Let's see. I'm ready to harvest any of the carrots. I just pulled the cabbage up around you. I saw some that I saw where the tops of the carrots was coming up. And this here is some celery growing here. I see your celery. Okay. Where is the carrots that I saw coming up? There's carrots there. There goes some carrots right there. Okay, carrots. No carrots. Okay. Let me get in here and clean out this cabbage bed. Oh boy, they really came over here and was munching out. Let's see, do I have any that formed a head on them that I can at least save some of the... That one has a little head on it. That one, but it looked like it got eaten up. This one has a nice head on it. I have to open it up to make sure it's not too ate up inside there. Okay. Okay, a lot of cleaning up in here I gotta do. Let me get busy. Pulling the leaves back and I saw a slug. Where did it go? It's in here eating up. Look at that in here. Eating up my cabbage. Eating up my cabbage. Yes, you are. I don't know if that head is gonna be good. I'm gonna look it over real good before I take it in the house. There may be more slugs inside of it. Okay, this is now the carrot, onion, and celery bed. All of the cabbage have been taken out. I was only able to save one head of cabbage. The other one that I did pull, it was eaten up inside, so I threw that one away. I think I'm going to add some bell peppers and some tomato plants over in this garden bed over here with the carrots and the onions and the celery. I'll be harvesting the carrots soon. I'm gonna let them get a little bit bigger. They was over here eating up my Jamaican sorrel plants too. So I soaked them with some of the Dawn dishwashing liquid. Kill off all of those bugs. Come on, Jamaican sorrel. Grow a lot for me. Try to keep these bugs off you.